Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a simple but powerful trick in PowerPoint, how to wrap text around a circle. This is a fantastic way to make your slides pop, highlight important points, and impress your audience with stylish designs. First, open PowerPoint and navigate to the slide where you want this effect. If you're starting fresh, just create a new slide. Then, either select your existing text or insert a new text box with the word or phrase you want to use. This will be our starting point. Next, head to the top of your screen and click on the Shape Format tab. Here, you'll find a variety of tools to customize your text and shapes. Look for text effects in the WordArt styles group and click it. A drop-down menu will appear. This is where the magic begins. From the menu, select Transform. This feature lets you bend and shape your text in different ways. Scroll through the options and choose the one labeled Circle or Full Circle. Immediately, your text will start wrapping around a circular path. At this point, your text might need a little adjustment. Click and drag the corner handles of your text box to scale it until it fits neatly around the circle. You can also tweak the font size or spacing to make everything look perfect. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've created a clean, circular text effect that adds visual flair to any slide and draws attention exactly where you want it. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy PowerPoint tips. Happy presenting and see you in the next video.